For the spaceship, I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat.
Hey guys, welcome back to Blossom Queening. Have a look around, like some shit, leave a comment, and don't be shy to subscribe. So from the title of the video, I don't know what time it is. I am back with another hair tutorial. Before we get into that, I just want you to see my natural hair growth. So as mentioned in my previous natural hair tutorial, I did say that I big chopped my hair in November of last year. So it's been a year since your girl gone back natural. So I just want to show you the growth. I could see it's real. My hair been much pickier than this. Couldn't even catch up in one, and now we actually could catch up in one. So I'm very proud of that. So this is actually my first time attempting to do the trending boho locks on myself. I've done it a few times on clients, but this is the first time I'm gonna be doing it on myself. So I hope this will actually turn out into a good tutorial for you. I'm gonna be using the Redone hair wax jumbo twist here. These are actually used before. Yes, I said used, but I washed them. You're my business, don't do that. I'm also going to be using spring twist here, which is these, and then I'm going to be using these as well, which is water wave. Okay, so I'm going to be looking this direction a lot because that's where my mirror is, and I need to see how I'm parting my hair. Off camera, I went ahead and braided my hair. I used one strand of the Mali hair for each braid, and I have about 39 braids in my hair. Now I'm gonna take the water wave braiding here and I'm gonna crochet it in. So the pieces that you see up on top here, this is what I'm gonna use for the bang. That's why you don't see any Mali hair inside of it. Okay, so let's start. So I'm gonna fold it both here. And then take the crochet needle, put it between, and connect the crochet needle with the hair, and then you're gonna pull through that short piece. Now you take it and you put it with the braided hair, and the extended piece is what I'm gonna use to wrap around and create the butterfly effect. So you're gonna wrap whichever direction you feel wrapping. This is the direction I'm comfortable wrapping, and you want to ensure that you secure the base by wrapping a few times around at the base. And then you're gonna take your thumb finger and put it between the hair, just pulling piece of the hair to give you that butterfly effect. And you're gonna wrap around, continue wrapping around, remove your thumb finger and continue going down. Repeat the same process, wrap around and then continue going down. So these loops that you see me creating with my thumb finger, that is what give it the butterfly effect. Okay, so as you can see, the wrapping here is just about finished. I'm gonna take another piece and add it in to complete, because I still have all of this to wrap. when you're doing your individual braids, don't do them too tight, because when you start wrapping, it gonna create tension on the scalp. So just be mindful of that. Okay, so this was the next day, and I'm just completing the bang section of my hair. I used 6 pieces to create the bang, and in total it took me 7 hours to complete this whole look. In terms of the length for the bang, I just went according to the length of my hair, because as you see, my natural hair is not that long, so I did it as long as my natural hair. We have reached the end of the tutorial, and I enjoyed doing this look on myself. However, if I ain't got the time now, patience, me not advise you to do this, yeah, yourself. Like, I don't gotta go by a stylist and get it done. But you know the vibes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.